Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to insert table in Canva Design. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the Canva, www.canva.com and log into your account. After that, simply tap on the create a new design or open an existing one where you want to insert the table. Then simply click on this slash icon from your keyboard. Then you'll get to see this option here, magic elements, and search for the table from the search bar provided there. Then simply tap on the table. After you tap on the table, you will get to see how many rows or columns you want for the table. Choose according to your preferences and tap on it. After you tap on it, the same amount of rows and columns will be available on your Canva design. You can also adjust them or edit them. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.